Many new pictures of Yagmur Yuksel have been shared on social media. These new pictures of Yagmur Yuksel are shared from the abroad. She recently went to the abroad. There she enjoyed a lot and she had a great time. So Yagmur was so much happy and delighted. Baris Baktas has also shared a new sharing, and Baris was also looking handsome and beautiful. Yagmur Yuksel enjoyed the trip of abroad a lot and she was overwhelmed to see the beauty of abroad, and she wore a very beautiful costume there. So Yagmur new beautiful pictures from abroad, while Baris Baktas has also shared a new sharing on social media.